Hey everyone, welcome back to RTS TV. I'm Sean, your RTS Shop Director, and today we're going to check out this Trailhunter that I went ahead and decked out for all your overlanding needs. Let's take a closer look. All right, so this customer wanted to keep that kind of factory look, so we didn't do any lift on it. We left the factory wheels on, but we did end up throwing some 285/70 KO3 BFGs on here, give it kind of a better off-road capability, better grip in the mud and the dirt. And then if you take a look back here, we added our factory Toyota roof rack so you can transport pretty much anything you want up here. This thing can hold quite a bit of weight. We also added in the ARB full bed rack with the rear light on it. We went ahead and also mounted the fuel cans on here so you get about 6 gallons total, carry with the off-road so you can go pretty far with it. And on the other side, you'll see later in the video, we also added some tread boards on the side so if you ever get stuck out there, those are a great way to help you get out of a sticky situation. Now this was for a customer, so we did everything exactly the way he wanted. If you guys want to do the same thing, feel free to reach out, come down, check us out. And I don't know if you noticed, but we also added the graphics on there. So if you guys are interested in doing like the topographic decals, we've got a couple different options for you. Really customize it, make it your own. Come down, check us out right here at Berge Toyota.